All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? All right. But yeah, so I just wanted to document my journey, man. Starting with a six-figure portfolio, trying to get it to seven, giving you a little bit of insights on how I view my investing. If you look in my portfolio right now, I just got five holdings in my portfolio. I'm sitting on some MARA, which is a Bitcoin miner. It's currently trading at about $30. I have some options, some calls, some September 17th calls. Since I own 1,200 shares of MARA, I sold some covered calls to try to get my cost basis down. And then also I'm sitting on some puts for G-Box. If the price is below 15 by July 16th, then I plan on purchasing 5,000 shares of G-Box. And then I'll turn around on that Monday, the 19th, and sell some covered calls on that for a little bit of income. And G-Box is a blockchain company, payment processor. They just got a contract with Samoa. They brought the first national bank to Samoa. They also do some work with Visa as well. It's a small cap fintech company. I really think it has a lot of potential. So, and the premiums on the calls are pretty juicy. So that's why I wanted to jump on those. Same with Mara. I mistimed it a little bit, but today you can see I started like around 101. I'm up 2K for the day, but we're going to take it one day at a time. Now, with the whole Bitcoin thing, Mara is pretty much tied to the price of Bitcoin. And yesterday, some news came out. One of the Mexican bank owners was saying that he's working for his bank to be the first in Mexico to take Bitcoin. And he was saying basically fiat money is dead. He did a little presentation, and he was saying that over the time he's watched his currency erode, and pretty much every currency has eroded over time. The best asset going forward has been Bitcoin. I'll share a little bit of this interview with you. But basically, he was just saying it's an asset that everybody should own. It has value, international value. It's traded with enormous liquidity at a global level. And it's enough reason for it to be part of every portfolio, period. And the finite supply of it, the finite supply of it, basically lets you know that only 21 million it'll be capped. And as more people adopt it, more people get involved with it, then the price will continue to appreciate. Because if you know anything about supply and demand, if you have a limited supply and unlimited demand, then that's going to put some upward pressure on the price. And also El Salvador, they recently made Bitcoin legal tender in their country. Right now, they're pushing an initiative. They're giving everybody free Bitcoin, about $30 worth, so that you can sign up with their government app, put your little social security number ID in there so that you'll have a wallet. And the Bitcoin law will take in effect on September 7th. And basically, they're just trying to generate employment, generate investments, and at no moment will it affect anybody. You won't have to deal strictly with Bitcoin. You can still use dollars. The app is an iOS and Android app. And they're just trying to get more people involved because they've seen the depreciation of their currency. And they're not the only country that's planning on getting involved. There are other countries who will start considering it. I saw Mexico, Argentina, Panama, Brazil. So a lot of these companies are planning on implementing it. Bitcoin did take a spill last month because China has been trying to ban it, talk down on it. Also, Elon Musk has said that he has planned on stop accepting it for purchases, even though he owns 1.5 billion worth on the Tesla balance sheet. But it's going to be something to watch out for. It held the 30,000 level pretty strong. If I go right now, it's flirting like between 34 and 35 all day today. But if we do have a pullback in the S&P, which a lot of people are predicting like a 10 to 11% pullback, I think the S&P is trading at about 4,300 right now, 4,200. A lot of people projecting that to drop down to about 3,800. Maybe some puts on the SPY will be a good thing for you to do, but I'm not sure the time frame. but we would like to see how Bitcoin holds up in case of a pullback in the S&P 500. And I'll share this article with you. These are 8 cryptocurrency stocks for the next Bitcoin boom. A lot of people still projecting it to go 50 to 100K by the end of the year. And if it does, these 8 companies should profit significantly from that. Number 1 is PayPal Holdings. Basically, PayPal announced in October that they'll allow users to hold Bitcoin as well as Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. A lot of people have started playing with crypto, and they have a large user base with people with PayPal accounts. Square is another one, payment processing service similar to PayPal. They also allow their users to buy and hold crypto on their Cash App. JP Morgan, they started getting into crypto trading as well. Nvidia, that's very important as far as mining goes. They come with a lot of the accessories and parts that you need for the mining, the graphics chips that you need. AMD, same thing, graphic chips. MicroStrategy, I think he might be the largest private company holding Bitcoin. They made a big purchase with a cost average around 26,000. So if that price does start creeping north, they'll be a big beneficiary of that. Coinbase, the more cryptos involved, the more trading, the higher the volume of crypto trading, the more money they make, and they charge very high fees. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and also you have the miners, Riot and Mara. So those are some companies to look out for cryptocurrency moving forward. And even though you have a lot of these countries trying to ban it, I think today UK banned Binance. In the United Kingdom, China's been trying to ban it. They want to promote their own cryptocurrency coins, but bans usually don't work. I mean, prohibition, they banned alcohol, it didn't work that long. I mean, if you have a product that a lot of people want access to, and a lot of people are demanding to get a little bit of exposure to it, then they're going to find a way to get exposure to it, and you're just delaying the inevitable, really. So those are some things to look out for. I just wanted to start off my journey and share my journey with you. If you have any questions, comments, I love to get a dialogue going. Just leave me a comment, and I'll comment back. And I'll just be doing this every day, man. So those are my insights for today. That's the top news for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.